Today's race day replay is brought to you by ProCharger, the ultimate power adder.
And the F-150 used to have a hood. Now it does not have a hood. But I mean, if you're going to